What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the YouTube platform. I am so pumped you are here to join me on a Yukon XL journey. This bad beast is very, very small. It's a 2021, by the way. It's very, very, very tiny, and it went on a road trip, which I fully support. And now it is here to be transformed, which I, of course, also support. I am so excited for this one just because I love detailing. I'm so excited for all of them. I shouldn't really say that. So we're gonna do the inside and the outside. We're going to completely transform this metallic paint. I think is going to pop. The inside, I noticed it has fabric seats and the huge floor mats, which is going to save the carpet. GMC does a really good job with their carpet, so I'm not super worried about any of that. I don't know, I'm trying to think back. This may be the first GMC I've done with fabric seats. I think so. So I guess we'll check out the condition of those as well. It's going to be sick. A couple new products to try today, and it's gonna be awesome. Let's go to work. Oh, you got it. My cameraman just quit. Totally bailed. Dollars to donuts, we've got company wheel wells up there. And of course in the front. We'll get going with the wheels and tires. It's not too bad. The outside's really dusty. I was surprised after looking at it, the pre-detail inspection, there's just super dusty. The new product for the day is Koch Green Star. Somebody commented, I don't remember, on one of the platforms, I think it was on one of my shorts, and asked if I had ever used this. Looked it up, I had not, so here we are gonna try it. We'll try it in IK spray. Can I mention just a side thing that it's lame that it's not snowing a ton here in northern Utah. I haven't even snowboarded. Little shredder, Spartacus and I haven't even gone out once. Lame. Mixed at a ratio of 1 to 5 because that's what the bottle recommended. And as a side note, I take a bunch of flack on the internet for rinsing from bottom to the top. I have yet to hear a solid argument against that method, so I'm gonna rinse from bottom to top because I think it looks cool on camera, and the only reason I film is to look so it looks cool. It's for you guys. Let's go, boom, cannon. Get some decon on here, 3D iron remover. There's an abysmal possibility that it can show up, but on the trunk there was actually one little piece of contamination that I could see with my little ojito, so usually you can't see it on this dark of paint, but there's no way I can get it to show up on camera, so sorry about that. Normal detail, we're going to physically decontaminate with the clay towel, and the normal soap or the normal shampoo is a clay lube. Monkey's in there. So my beautiful wife is doing some errands and Spartacus is at a birthday party at a fun center, lucky him. And Monkey's inside and he just came out and asked me if he could take his shirt off. So it must be a party in there without me. I need to get in there. So I'm gonna protect this paint. And then I'll go hang out with him, we'll do dinner or something. Ace just sent me a video and he was working on his basement, finished the bathroom. He turned on the water and something really funny happened. So I'll see if I can drop it in here. He filmed it vertically, who does that? Taking the customer's personal items out of the glove box reminded me, we don't have Monkey in diapers anymore because he's a big kid, right, dude? Yeah. He's a big kid. We don't have diapers anymore. We went on a road trip and I was reminded how awesome it was to have a kid in diapers because you always have wipes. And it's shocking how much you need wipes. And we didn't have any in the Jeep on the last road trip. And it was catastrophic at times, for sure. It was pretty bad. No, it's the customers. Hi, buddy. You got your katana? Lucky. Two things about the interior. One, I'm not going to pressure wash the mats because they don't need it. I'm just going to use, sorry for stuttering, APC when I do that step. The other one, Spartacus just got back from the fun center with his friends and he discovered knock jokes. I wish it were knock jokes. He discovered yo mama jokes, so that's fun. The interior it's a little bit dirtier than I anticipated when I first did the inspection, but not too bad. There's a couple stains on the seats. The carpet, those floor mats cover a ton of it, so the carpet's not in the worst shape. There's a lot of stuff that's gathered, a lot of debris that's gathered around the edges. Plastics look great-ish, a little bit of dust and debris, but nothing I can't handle. Oh, I just found a popper thing with, I'm assuming, lip gloss. Let me see. Lip balm. Ah, I rock. So we've already got everything out and we're ready to move on to carpets. Sometimes on this carpet back here, especially where it's had the mat over top of it, it doesn't need a ton of vacuuming. I'm just gonna force all the dust and debris up with the Tornador, so I'll just work on both sides. If I need to vacuum, I will, but I don't think I'm going to need to. So forcing it up, and we're gonna use a Tornador and vacuum all over everything. I just noticed there's a huge nasty stain. Hope it's not gum on that carpet up there. Let's do this. I and my beautiful wife are huge supporters of road trips. We love exploring the desert, and especially this time of year, it's really fun to go and just explore ghost towns, mines, whatever. So we are looking for a cave that is rumored to have some treasure this weekend with the boys, or I guess last weekend with the boys. And we ended up in this gully, and it was this really steep sand hill that ended in a cliff on the other side, and there's a little dry creek bed running in the bottom. But walking down that was intense. Monkey did great. And it was me and Monkey and my beautiful bride and Spartacus were up the way a little ways. And Monkey did great going down it, but going back up it was a workout. Spartacus did it just fine because he's a hero. My beautiful bride cheeked up it just fine as well. Monkey had a hard time. We were trying to goat track it up and it just was not going to work. So I threw Monkey on my back and I mountain climbed. Well, I just bear crawled up the whole thing. It came at a physical cost for sure. It was sick, and road trips are just the sickest, but it was hilarious. Due to the overall awesome state of this Yukon Extra Large, the carpets aren't really too bad. I think the only spot that's going to be moderately interesting are the seats. The driver's seat's got some stains on it. That weird stain on the back of the seat, the middle row of seats, the middle bench, and passenger seats got a little bit. But other than that, the carpets themselves on the floor, they're not too bad. Second new product of the day, we've got Inside from GoPro. Really pumped to try it as an APC. I was just checking it out. It says for light cleaning and interior plastics, dilute 1 to 5, but I don't know. We'll try it in an inconspicuous area and see if we need to dilute it or not. Has a solid smell. I don't think I need to dilute it. No, I'm not going to. We'll see if I like it. I love detailing. It's one of my favorite pastimes. But why do I make videos? I make videos to share my passion with cars with you, my awesome friends. Now, my passion for cars and being with cars isn't just limited to here in this epic garage detailing. I love road tripping. And I honestly, if I could do anything to like influence you, my awesome viewers, I would encourage you this weekend, get in the car, take the family, be safe, obviously pre-plan and do all of that stuff, but get in the car and go for a drive. Seriously, go enjoy it. I feel like nobody enjoys road tripping anymore. And even though gas is super duper expensive right now, everybody needs to road trip. I want to increase the love of driving in you, my awesome YouTube viewers. So go for a drive, but be safe, plan ahead, watch, especially here in northern Utah right now. Roads can get pretty sketch, so be safe, but go driving, because it's sick. That was my first time using Inside. I think it works really well. It's got an okay smell to it. As far as what it cleaned, this Yukon was probably a bad test for super dirty plastics, super soiled plastics and leather, because this has been really, really clean. I've been very, very surprised, pleasantly surprised. It's in amazing condition. I thought it was newer than a 2021 when I first hopped in. It's in phenomenal shape, and this paint, so gorgeous. But the inside, it left the plastics almost looking like they had been dressed or protected. I read online, and I'm sure one of you, my awesome viewers, will tell me, I don't think it adds any protective qualities to the plastic and leather. So I'm going to GoPro Hero, and I guess I'll find out later when I have more time to research whether or not it actually protects them. I'm not gonna get that. I'm not gonna get a microfiber applicating pad because I favor the brush. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail this beautiful Yukon XL. I hope you like the results of the detail, and of course I hope you love this video. My dearest friends, thank you for hanging out, and truly, honestly, go enjoy a drive. Just go. If I can make you enjoy driving a little bit more, then my day is complete. Bye.